There is no end to it, attachments we can have. And once you have this universally embedded in everything, then there is no attachment to any specific thing. See? Specificity kills it. Choice making is destructive. It is impossible to love in mundane world without attachment. People run away from love. But as a yogi advances and becomes love oneself, there is no limit to how many he can love. See, all these sannyasis running away from families, not loving their very dear ones, and trying to love God, how is it going to happen? Every human being, every entity carries the soul, antaryamin, part and parcel of God. If I cannot love, then ipso facto, I am not in love with God. So where is your love? Where is your advancement in spirituality? Where you love everyone, because everything has this essence of God. There is no question of saying I specifically love so and so. But then question do arise that what about my love for my spouse, my love for father, my love for children, my love for my friends? They're very unique. Though there is universal undercurrent of love in my heart, yet my love towards my spouse, my children, my parents, my friends will change. Undercurrent will remain same, but the expression will remain different in each situation. It is like this current of electricity. When it passes through these light fixtures, it gives us luminosity. Passes through this fan, it gives us little air, extra air. Passes through air conditioner. If it's a cooler, it will give you cool air. If it's a heater, it will give you hot air. Toaster oven and refrigerator. It's the same current, expresses itself in many, many different ways. So, how we direct our heart's attention towards your spouse, towards your children, it's all very unique. Towards Guru, towards God, it will change the emotion with that. And absolutely nothing wrong with that. Oh, I will not kiss my spouse because then you are in trouble, see. I have become sannyasi. No, that's not what Master wants to say. In fact, there is no harm in having so many attachments with the whole world. Why not with each tree? Put your name on each tree. I love this tree, I love that tree, I love this flower, I love that flower. There is no end to it, attachments we can have. And once you have this universally embedded in everything, then there is no attachment to any specific thing. See? Specificity kills it. Choice making is destructive.